49 Decorating Ideas for Farmhouse-Style Bedrooms. Modern farmhouse style celebrates the traditional even while embracing the contemporary. Using found objects, antiques, or old-timey memorabilia as decor is a popular way to decorate a farmhouse bedroom. Here, 3 vintage straw hats add charm above the headboard. All other items, though, are new reproductions of classic items. If you're lucky enough to have a fireplace in your bedroom, like the serene farmhouse bedroom from the wonderful decorating blog My Paradise shown here, you're already halfway to country farmhouse style. If you don't, but wish you did, consider installing one of the many faux fireplaces now available, which look real but require no chimney or wood, and which produce no flames or ashes. What better way to add color to your farmhouse bedroom than with artwork portraying scenes of farm life? Or even better, a whimsical and unexpected picture of a cow or other farm animal, as in this adorable bedroom from Savvy Southern Style. No need for a traditional nightstand when you have an antique trunk ready and willing to step into place. Top it with an old-timey lamp, small pitcher, and vintage clock in a cute wicker tray, then back the whole tableau up with a classic country rooster sign, and you have this wonderful country farmhouse bedroom from Savvy Southern Style. Found an old wooden chair at a tag sale that has seen better days, or is scraped and chipped? No problem. Just treat it to a fresh coat of paint, then wear at the edges a bit to create a time-worn appearance. Voila, you have a perfect spot to sit and pull on your shoes in the morning, or a substitute for a traditional bedside table. Fresh cut flowers are always a nice touch in farmhouse-style decor. It's not a farm without a barn, and it's not a barn without a sliding barn door. The look has caught on in the interior decorating world over the past few years, and why not? With no need for room to swing, a sliding door takes up less foot space in the room, making it a great solution for tiny bedrooms. The worn turquoise barn door here is in a bedroom from Carolyn Ferguson Design. Decorate a farmhouse bedroom, or any bedroom, really all in white, and you create a space that is airy, fresh, and oh so serene. For proof, take a look at the peaceful and casual room shown here, from blog Tone on Tone. So lovely. Every element here speaks to rural life. While soft creamy white is classic for farmhouse style, there is no reason you can't add soft color if you like. Here, designer and stylist Margot Austin shows off the power of soft color. Pale lavender and soft blue are pretty and fresh without detracting from the casual, peaceful vibe that makes farmhouse style so wonderful. Farmhouse style doesn't have to mean unsophisticated or even old-fashioned, although it always celebrates the spirit of the traditional. When done right, as in the gorgeous bedroom from design firm Muskoka Living shown here, farmhouse style can actually be rather sophisticated and contemporary. Every bedroom deserves a comfortable spot to sit and think or pull on your shoes before heading out in the morning, and your farmhouse bedroom is no exception. A comfortable small armchair, a nearby ottoman to prop your feet, and a light close enough to use for reading is all you need. The cute bedroom here is from Muskoka Living. Part of what gives farmhouse style its casual, airy, and peaceful vibe is the lack of clutter or fuss. Instead, the decor is mostly useful, with just enough accents and purely decorative pieces to give the room personality and style. For a perfect example, check out this room from Muskoka Living. While minimalism is a contemporary trend, it can be adapted to a farmhouse look, as demonstrated in this small, simple, restful bedroom from Jenny Wolfe Interiors. No more than what you need, no less than what it takes to make a bedroom comfortable and functional. Shiplap walls are a hallmark of farmhouse style. Often white, but sometimes colored in soft hues, like the pale grayish-green shown here, these wood-clad walls add a warm touch that almost feels nostalgic. If you are unable to panel your walls with real wood, check out a so real looking you'll have to get up close to tell the difference Shiplap Design wallpaper. Sometimes, you just want to add a splash of lively color to your bedroom, even though it's decorated in a style that generally leans towards softer hues. If so, feel free to indulge yourself. After all, the only real law in interior decorating is that you should love your space. Here, a farmhouse-style bedroom lights up with the addition of a colorful quilt and shams. The rest of the room, however, is subdued, in keeping with the classic farmhouse style. Farmhouse style isn't one for a lot of patterns or a wide palette full of color. The lovely bedroom here shows off a typical look. Classic stripes and a simple trellis are the only patterns, while the small touches of red are the only break in the otherwise neutral color scheme. The overall effect is restful, airy, and fresh. Wondering how to decorate the dresser top in your farmhouse bedroom? Then take some tips from blog Simply Beautiful by Angela and show off a few classic country farmhouse collectibles. A metal jug with a sprig of cotton bowls, glass jars, and heavy candlesticks add adorable style to the room. How do you add romance to a rustic farmhouse bedroom? Why not take a tip from blog Love Grows Wild and hang a gauzy length of fabric from a ceiling beam? Who wouldn't love to fall asleep in this lovely bedroom? Red and white gingham is a country classic that looks farmhouse fresh, especially when paired with soft yellow, as in this cute bedroom from Stonehorse Design. So cute for a guest room or child's shared bedroom. Reclaimed barn wood for the ceiling leaves no doubt about what style is being evoked. While it's true that farmhouse style usually means white walls, every rule is meant to be broken occasionally. And wow, design firm Hendrix Churchill definitely broke the rule in a truly gorgeous way with this intense but not overwhelming orange and red wallpaper. Even the simplest farmhouse bedroom has a warmth and coziness, as demonstrated in this lovely room from designers Hendrix Churchill. So serene and peaceful. A vintage sawhorse serves as a side table, while modern floor lamps provide the lighting, a perfect example of mixing old and contemporary. While every bedroom needs a source of light near the bed, in the farmhouse style, that duty is often performed by wall sconces rather than a bedside lamp. The lovely and somewhat contemporary farmhouse bedroom shown here is from design firm Hendrix Churchill. Here's a perfect example of modern farmhouse style, from blog Love Grows Wild. The metal bed, wicker trunk, and shiplap walls are pure country farmhouse, while the desktop metal lamp adds a touch of contemporary style. So restful and romantic. Vintage metal beds are farmhouse classics, as are wooden benches at the foot of the bed. Both are shown off to great effect in this cozy bedroom from farmhouse decorating blog The Creekline House. The bedroom also includes touches of the contemporary, such as the bedside lamp and draperies. Repurposing, recycling, and making do are ways of life on the farm, and that outlook extends to the decor. While old shutters are a great substitute for a traditional headboard, you can take the idea even further, as decorating blog Thistlewood Farms did here. An entire wall of old shutters is an unexpected, and entirely wonderful, way to add whimsy and eye-catching style to a farmhouse bedroom. Farmhouse style often means decorating with everyday or household items. For example, the white serving dishes displayed over the bed in this lovely farmhouse bedroom from blog Cedar Hill Farmhouse. Also, note the reused mason jars and bottles used as vases on the side table. While farmhouse style is not generally a glamorous look, it doesn't have to be all rough and tumble. This gorgeous bedroom from blog Cedar Hill Farmhouse shows off the style's more feminine, fancy possibilities, such as the elaborate wall scones and luxuriously upholstered seating. Absolutely beautiful. Life on the farm, landscapes, and nature are the most common themes found in the artwork used to decorate a farmhouse-style room. This absolutely perfect bedroom from M. Barnes & Co. Interior design displays a primitive bird sitting on a branch. You'll commonly find household or farm implements used to decorate a farmhouse-style room. Case in point, the metal bucket and gathering basket displayed underneath the bedside table in this lovely farmhouse bedroom found on decorating website House. Quilts, needlepoint pillows, and a simple throw rug complete the vintage look. If you want to add a splash of color to your mostly white farmhouse bedroom, there's no better way to do so than with a colorful quilt. True farmhouse style, comfortable, and warm, there's a quilt to match any palette you choose. The room here is from the lettered cottage. Well-worn wooden furniture is a farmhouse classic. No need for a matching set, however, picking and choosing your furnishings creates a more interesting and authentic style. This bedroom, from blog The Willow Farmhouse, shows off an antique chair and dresser that complement the beautiful wood grain floors. Trimming archway with rustic wood, as in the room from blog The Willow Farmhouse shown here, adds so much country charm to a farmhouse bedroom. This large bedroom was created removing a partition wall to combine smaller rooms into one great space. Modern farmhouse combines contemporary style with classic country tradition. Check out the lovely example shown here, from blog Blessair House. Modern farmhouse done right. Red, white, and blue is a classic country palette that works perfectly in a farmhouse-style bedroom. By mixing various patterns, you can keep the look fresh but not overly patriotic. The room from Thistlewood Farms shown here does it right. Farmhouse style is a great look for a boy's bedroom. The casual vibe, rough and tumble furnishings and lack of clutter will please most boys from young to old. Knotty pine walls and a floor of painted wood planks put this bedroom solidly into the farmhouse style. This terrific bedroom is from Thistlewood Farms. Rustic wood and repurposed items are commonly found in the farmhouse style. For example, why settle for a traditional headboard when you could have a rough-hewn and entirely wonderful DIY headboard made from old boards? And who needs a regular footboard when a vintage metal washtub makes such a unique substitute? Farmhouse blog buckets and burlap show off both ideas in this cozy charmer of a master bedroom. An antique trunk flanked by matching metal beds is a delightful way to decorate a guest bedroom or shared children's room. A wooden trunk serving as a shared nightstand and wooden window trim and ceiling beams are classic farmhouse touches. This cute bedroom is from Jenna Sue Design Co. There's something about an attic bedroom that makes it perfect for farmhouse style. Maybe it's the coziness of the low roof, perhaps it's the angles, or the way sunlight streams through the high windows. Whatever the reason, there's no denying the appeal of a bedroom like the one shown here from Jenna Sue Design Co. Most often, farmhouse style means lots of white. That's part of what gives it such a peaceful, airy feel. In this serene farmhouse bedroom from blog Tidbits, a palette of creamy white and softest tan melts away stress and cares. Looking for a unique alternative to a traditional nightstand? Why not try a swing, as in this country charmer? Just suspend a rustic wooden swing from the ceiling. So cute. One way to add some fun or personality to your farmhouse bedroom is with whimsical throw pillows, like the adorable His and Hers pillows in this bedroom from the blog Junk Cottage. Cute for both newlyweds or married for decades couples. White furniture is second only to time-worn wooden pieces in the farmhouse style. If you're looking for a way to make over an old or outdated piece, why not give it a fresh coat of white paint, as the blog Beneath My Heart did with this old dresser? Painting furniture white is a great way to keep a bedroom bright, the hallmark of farmhouse style. The old-style art of silhouettes adds character to a farmhouse bedroom. Add the classic metal bed, wall sconces, worn wooden furniture, and palette of mostly white, and you have a perfect example of the style. This lovely room is from Design Sponge. Yellow, blue, and white is a popular color scheme throughout many decorating styles, including farmhouse. Yellow adds cheerful warmth to the space, while blue is soothing and cool. White balances them both, while giving the room a fresh, airy vibe. Wreaths aren't just for the front door, hang one in your bedroom, as in this serene farmhouse bedroom from blog Our Vintage Nest, and enjoy the touch of color and life it adds to the space. Quilts and the farmhouse decorating theme go together like peanut butter and jelly. While you might be able to find a vintage quilt online, at an antique mall, or in a specialty shop, feel free to purchase a new quilt that merely appears to be old. Layering a quilt over a bedspread, as in the room shown here, is another hallmark of the farmhouse style. The farmhouse theme works just as well in a preteen or teen's bedroom as it does in the master suite. Here, a charming modern farmhouse girl's bedroom is sweetened with touches of pink, a small chandelier, and floral decorated straw hats as wall art. The unfinished and painted ceiling with exposed rafters is essential to the rural feeling of this room. Buttery yellow is a classic farmhouse hue. Cheery as sunshine, warm and welcoming as a country hug at the end of the day, versatile enough to work with just about any other color, yellow walls set off the overall soft color scheme so prevalent in this casual decorating style. Yellows and white together create the clean, bright look essential to farmhouse style. Two pieces of furniture you'll often find in the farmhouse bedroom are a 4-poster bed and a traditional wooden rocking chair. Put together, as in this authentic farmhouse bedroom from blog Farmhouse 5540, and you have a room that feels as warm and easy as a visit to grandma's back when you were a kid. While there is no set palette for farmhouse style, you'll generally find plenty of white, along with soft color for accents. Case in point, this peaceful, country farm bedroom from blog Farmhouse 5540. The wooden bench at the foot of the bed, along with the use of baskets for storage, are other hallmarks of farmhouse style. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.